there, 673, as I try and put it to you. 673, 149, K-Town, we gone along.
Anchor, roger that. What you doing this afternoon, Chopper? Jump in that Coahuila, head that thing towards Guatemala, man. Let's have a couple cold ones. Yeah.
Yeah, roger that, there. Well, you're gonna hit it on home. Grab a few cool ones there, 10-4.
Yeah, roger. Just gotta go to the bank. I gotta go stop by the bank, and then I'm gonna be home in about 20 minutes. Suck them up.
10-4. Let me see what's going on around here, and then maybe I give you a call on the landline there, 10-4.
Yeah, Raj. Yeah, give me a call after like 15, 20 minutes. I'll charge up my phone, and then I'll let you know where I live, if you can make it down.
10 Rogers, my brother. 673 Rogers out there. Okay, my brother. I give you that time there. Maybe a little bit longer, but I guess I give you a call. Brother K, we out.
Roger that. All right, brother B, brother K, we see you now. Aloha.
Aloha, brother.
673, big numbers on line there. 149, Aloha Friday Wave, 15. Got that, man. You smoking on a big hole there. You smoking on a big hole too there.
All we got 15-5, all up in there.
To the weekend, 673, big hole. Right there,
That old 15-5. As you get on in there, I'm getting in out. 15-5, 149 hertz, I'm gone. Aloha.
Okay, Mom, it's kind of hard to pull out the 28 now. We got some other guys on this side that you're making it a little hard, but we got you in there. Okay, we catch you later, Maui County. Big O, we see you. 673, Brass Monkey gone, bye-bye. Okay, Brass Monkey, I thought that was you there because I heard you talking to some other guys, but I wasn't 100% sure though. Okay, they kind of went slide to the side, so now we got a real good copy on you there. Brass Monkey, good to hear you up on the band, man. It's 673, Johnny Walker Mobile with your Aloha Friday Wave up.
Raji, brother, man, yeah, you put a little EDBs on here, bro. I don't know what you got, but you're smoking. Okay, 673, have a great weekend, brother, man. Brass Monkey, out here, dog.
Okay, Brass Monkey. We ain't got nothing big in this mobile, man, but we close to the water on the east end, so we get some good location to put it through you, man. But you showing up big out here too, man. It's just we got a couple guys in Kaneohe about 10 miles away that was making it a little rough there. Okay, Brass Monkey, one more time around. 673, Johnny Walker Mobile, man. Have a good weekend. Aloha.
Roger that, Johnny Walker, you take care, brother, man. I heard somebody else coming, trickling in, but I didn't get the 28 there. All right, out here, Brass Monkey. Work short, back out.
Okay, Brass Monkey. Hey, Brass. Good copy, Brass Monkey, 15-5, Cape Town, we clear.
I get a 673, triple one, I got you in there that time, there, triple one, take care now, triple one, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Okay. Hey, Brass Monkey, you tell 111 673, said he's a mad dog.
Bye, triple one, you take care, bye-bye.
Yeah, that 111 Central. Tell him now, Brass Monkey. Tell him 673 did it to 111. Brass Monkey on here, now. 111 now, we out.
Roger that, rubber dog. You too, brother, man. Rubber dog, take care, triple one, aloha, 673. Have a good weekend.
And don't forget, okay, Brass Monkey. Okay, Brass Monkey, we see you one more time around. 673 gone, aloha. Pilot.
There's somebody else. I was trying to get the guy in the background, but I couldn't get it. I'm back out. Brass Monkey, 149. We clear. Aloha.
Fine with him. Okay, Brass Monkey, 673, Mobile, bump up.
Look out. Bye now.
Bye, Brass Monkey, Puna, body down. 111, right around Honolulu now, we out. 15-5 around the town is clear.